Frustrated with complicated software that requires hours of tutorials just to perform a simple edit? Well, what if I told you there is an easier way to enhance and edit your photos effortlessly? Introducing Fotor, your online photo editing companion designed for everyone. Start by clicking on Text to Image. Enter your text prompt. Select desired image ratio and style. With a simple click, Fotor will generate stunning image for you. Preview it, and if satisfied, save, share, or download it. If not, click Evolve to explore more variations. Want to breathe new life into your existing photos? Upload your image and select a style. Fotor will work its magic, swiftly generating captivating variations for you to explore. And if you're not completely satisfied, just click Evolve for even more options. Need to replace something in an image? No problem. Use a brush tool to mark the object you want to replace and enter a prompt for the new one. With a simple click, watch as Fotor seamlessly swaps out the old for the new, giving your image a fresh new look in an instant. Next, harness the power of the magic eraser to effortlessly whisk away any unwanted elements from your image, leaving behind a seamless masterpiece that's ready for download in no time. With Fotor, photo editing becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to the days of frustration and hello to effortless creativity. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.